Well, hello, my Philly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and today we are back shopping at Aldi. We're going to check out all the new arrivals and see what deals we can find today. Now, this Huntington Home Wedge Pillow, $14.99. I like that there's so many different ones, so different textures, different colors. Like this is a smooth texture. This was more velvety. You have a pocket here good for a remote control. You can see right there next to, if you want to place it on a couch or on a bed, just for extra comfort. And it's $6.99, the Huntington Home. This is a single pillow. And it feels just more like a regular pillow feel in there. It's not gel and definitely not like feathers or down. And decorative area rug, you have 6 to choose from. See if we get a price on here, right down here at the bottom. So $29.99, not too bad. These are about 4 by 5. And they do have a little bit of a plush to them. So very interesting. I like all the different options you have. And it's $6.99. This is a mesh drawer organizer. So this is nice. You could use this in a craft room, bathroom, kitchen. So many different options for these. And of course they do show, because we use these mostly in the kitchen, but I also like using these in the bathroom. So these are a set of 2. You have 2 choices to choose from. So these are nice. You could also use it like in a garage to, organize your tools. $7.99 bakeware or lid sorter. Now, I did grab one of these. A lot of times these new arrivals, they come like year after year. I did grab one of these last year, so I like it, especially to sort out like my pans, my cookie dishes, just like this one. So that worked out really well. $14.99. Okay, they're saying this is a 13-piece set. And so what they're including is the measuring spoons and the measuring cups. And then $14.99. This is a mini knife set. It does have the butcher block, but I mean, look at the size of it. So this is actually pretty decent, especially if you're limited on space in your kitchen. Now, $6.99, the reinforced silicone bakeware. So you have several colors to choose from. See, I like this one. Not to make mini muffins. You can if you want to, but I kind of want that to make little mini tartlets. You have your donut pan. Because I had one very similar to it. I have no idea what happened to it. But I think I'm going to grab this one and try it out. So I will keep you posted how well it works and how well it cleans. Now, $6.99. Here's another with a Crofton. This is an Aldi brand. So this is an ice tray plus container. Well, that is very convenient, because I like that you could freeze your ice and then turn it over and then, place it right in the container, and you could just keep filling it up. You have 3 colors to choose from. This is really nice. Now, $9.99, the compact dish drainer. So I know some of us don't like a dish drainer on our counters. Some of us don't mind. Like, I have one on mine just because I have items I don't like placing in the dishwasher. So I do have one on my counter at all times. But this is really convenient. You can easily store it away if you need to. And not a bad price, honestly. Now, the George Foreman grill, we had one. We loved it. We had it like for over 10 years, used it so many times, and it just eventually wore out, but glad to see it back. $24.99. And I like that they made him like a space saver. That is really cool. Now, $29.99. This is a 2-quart compact air fryer. So I like that we see some of these appliances, we don't always have all the counter space or the storage space for them. So I like that they make them compact, especially if you only need a small one. Here's a high-speed blending system. It's another item that's compact. It's an 11-piece set. So that is actually pretty cool. Now, $24.99, the spin mop set. We did purchase this when it was earlier, like I think a few months ago it came out. So it does come and go. The single serve coffee maker. Now this is by the Aldi brand Ambiano. Now this one uses ground or K-cups, so that is actually convenient. It's a 2-in-1, $50 for that one. And if you use any of these items, please let us know in the comments below, especially if you use any of these in the past, because I know Aldi, you know, their items comes and goes. Now, this is really nice, the collapsible laundry basket. Now, Costco has this for the same price, $9.99. So it's here at Aldi. This will sell out pretty quick because that's a really good price. It said it was normally $14.99, and then you have this one, $6.99. This is more like, I would call this more of like a hamper, but that is really nice. And for $12.99, this is a nice little throw. It's a little warm, but fall will be here before you know it. These are actually really nice fall colors. And for $14.99, this is a full queen comforter. So it's not a set. I don't think there's any pillow shams that matches. These are just a comforter. So we have a few designs to choose from, but this is the only size I see. Now for $29.99, we have a new lamp here. Now they've already kind of marked it on clearance, and that's kind of what the store does. Even though they're new, they've already kind of marked the prices down. The rattan lamp. So let me see if we can get some measurements. It doesn't look very big. Here we go. So the box is very light. So 12 inches wide. All right. And then for $24.99, we have a 10.5 gallon stainless steel trash can. Now, it looks like you have to put it together. So I'm not too sure about this. And normally the trash cans are about 13 gallons. So that's very interesting, especially if you're looking for a smaller one. So I'm not sure about that one. Now $4.99, we saw these last week. They have little ones, little new ones. This is more of a gnome. So this is a torch lamp. You fill it up with the fuel. And I'm assuming there's a wick underneath of there. And then for $4.58, the s'more Oreos. So many s'more products are out right now because it's a very summer item. You got that graham cracker, the chocolate, and the marshmallow. And here's some little information. And then you have the portable charcoal grill. Now this is actually a really decent price. This store has quite a few of them. And I'll put the store location in the details below. $8.47. Well, that is a really great price. It's non-electric or gas. You do have to put charcoal in there. Now $4.29. Healthy Choice tomato basil chicken. So say 0. I was trying to zoom in to see what was 0 of. No added sugar. And so you can see about 5 grams of sugar here, and you know, the natural sugars in food. And $3.79. These spiral fries. Ooh, those look good. I remember when they first came out, I used to get them from Jack in the Box, and they were actually pretty good. That's the only restaurant I see them now, or a fast food chain actually. $6.99. Okay, the Green Dream. These smoothie blends. So mango, pineapple, apple, spinach, and avocado. That actually sounds pretty good. It's a package of 4. You do have to kind of add just a little bit additional, like if you want to add like water or whatever. And then here's one more of a fruit. So that is mango, pineapple, banana, strawberry, and apple. Unsweetened. Well, that's convenient. It's going to have this natural sweetener from the fruits itself. And yeah, 20 grams of sugar. That's just from the fruit. $5.49. These turkey patties, have not seen these before. This is a set of 4, so already, you know, ready to be cooked up. And of course, if you like the red meat, $6.99. They have several options to choose from. So it's a pack of 4, $5.29. And they're saying this is new. Steakhouse season. Oh, beef patties. And at $3.19, I do have to grab some of these cheese. I'm able to eat dairy again, but I'm being very careful. But I'm going to grab a couple of those. At $3.69, I do like the pricing of their meats. The prosciutto, one of my favorites. And they have a good selection here. And really good prices. Like $3.69. This one, you have 3 different ones to choose from. And $2.45. Here is a new product. This is a probiotic drink. We have strawberry mint peach. This is about 80 calories. So right now I see 2 to choose from. Pineapple mango. And that one is 70 calories. So I think I'm going to try the pineapple mango. I'll keep you posted on what I think of it. Contains 7% juice, so interesting. This is in the cool area with all the other drinks. Now they have a new brioche bun. They say it's giant. The only thing, it looks pretty much the same size as the other ones. The only thing I could see is the price is a little higher, $4.99 for those. The other ones were $4.79. Now the plush bolster pillow. Now this is only $12.99. It looks really nice. You have a few to choose from. They're super soft. My only drawback on these is that they're not removable. I wish the outside was removable so you could wash it. It's about 36 inches long because it doesn't look like you could really put this whole thing in the wash machine. I know at least it would not fit mine. But I like all the options. So it's more like a hand clean. Now, $3.29. Okay, organic hot chili pepper maple syrup. I'm not sure about putting this on pancakes, but on chicken, absolutely. Have a nice like deep fried chicken and put that on there. That would be really good because it's like the hot chili honey. And speaking of honey, $5.98, the local honey. So this is local Southwest, and we are here in Southern California. At $4.19, they have some new coffee. So they have a K-Cup, chocolate coconut, a cherry, and a summer blend. And if you don't use K-Cups, they do have the regular ground coffee, $4.19. Again, with the summer blend, that chocolate coconut and cherry. And they're naturally and artificially flavored. At $1.89. Here's some cookies, some shortbread cookies, the lemon flavor. I like the size of the package, very small. At $3.49, ooh, the Italian Rainbow Cake Bites. These always remind me like the little petite fours, and those are usually pretty good. At $3.29, some new fruit spreads. We have watermelon right here. And very summer flavors. And then right next to it is the strawberry and rhubarb. So this is a fruit spread. It's by Berry Hill. And those are good sized jars. And $2.98, the Werther's Original. They used to be those little caramel. Now it's caramel popcorn. And then, which is the different? Oh, one's sea salt. So very interesting. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me, checking out some of the new items. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.